Hi, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a software to your Linux distribution. That's how we can install software to our machine. That's what we call it in Windows. But in this Linux software, we are going to use the terminal to run this command to add a software package to our Linux distribution. So let's say we don't have. Let's say we want to install a fish shell. Let's say we want to install a shell called fish. How we do it, that's what I'm going to teach you today. The command we use to perform this is the apt-get install command. So you type apt-get install followed by the name of the package that you want to install. So let's say you want to install fish, so add the fish name. Normally it is good, but better we run this command with the sudo command. I prefer using the sudo command. I don't have better internet, that's why I'm using this one. So if I were to have internet, you can see that the package will download automatically using this apt-get install command. So this is how you can install software onto your Kali Linux machine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more